There's Sarah, live in Africa. I'm not sure who she's with, but I'm watching a live webcam, and she and her friends are waving. This is awesome. You can see the live elephants back there, too. This is so cool. They're in Kenya. Look, it's my sister. This is awesome. I think it's Sarah, Ariste, and I'm not sure who else. They have no idea I'm videotaping this. Little do they know.